This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch release and open the bonnet. Release the support prop and engage it with the hole in the bonnet underside. Numerous systems fitted to the vehicle require battery power to be available at all times, either to ensure their continued operation, such as the clock, or to maintain control unit memories which would be erased when the battery is disconnected. Although not essential, it is possible to preserve these settings by connecting an external power source known as a memory saver to the vehicle's diagnostic socket. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Slacken the bolt, then with a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Remove the plastic cover, then lift the quick release lever and disconnect the positive lead clamp from the terminal. Undo the nut and remove the battery retaining clamp. Lift the battery from place. Take care as it's heavy. Clean the mounting tray, then manoeuvre the battery into position with the negative terminal at the rear. Locate the retaining clamp over the stud, then securely tighten the nut. Ensure the clamp is clean, then firmly press the positive lead clamp down onto the battery positive terminal. Press down the lever to secure the clamp. Firmly press the negative lead clamp over the battery negative terminal and securely tighten the bolt. Smear a little petroleum jelly onto the battery terminals to prevent corrosion. Refit the plastic cover over the positive terminal clamp. Where applicable, disconnect the memory saver from the diagnostic plug. Stow the safety prop, firmly close the bonnet, and ensure it's secure.